Hello students, this is lecture number 2 for chapter 4 and the topic name is straight line. If you remember, in chapter 2 we study equations, linear equations and linear inequalities. We are not talking about inequality, we are talking about equations here. So I explained you two type of equation. One is called linear equation in one variable. Another is linear equation in two variable. What was this equation? This is ax plus b is equal to 0. This was the equation because only one variable is here. And another was ax plus by is equal to c. Here is one variable x, another variable is y. Clear? So in this we are going to discuss these two lines. Clear? Because if we have these equations, linear equations in one variable and linear equations in two variable, these linear equations having graph name as straight line. Clear? So if we have linear equation in one variable, that is a straight line. If we have ax plus by linear equation in two variable, that is also a straight line. If I want to tell you this is a straight line, x axis, clear, and it is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. This is a linear equation, y is equal to 0. Clear? And if I mark it, this is y axis and this is x is equal to 0 here. Clear? This is a straight line. This is also a straight line. Okay? This also a straight line. This also a straight line. All these are straight lines. What is not a straight line? If I tell you this this one, this is not a straight line. This is not a straight line. This is not a straight line. Okay? So straight lines, we are talking here about the linear equations. Now comes to the another topic that is named as slope of a line. Okay, the slope of a line is the measure of steepness of the line. Clear? Now I will tell you some of the things here. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. If I am drawing a line here parallel to x-axis, this having a slope is equal to 0. This having slope equal to 0. Clear? No steepness, no slope. Why? Because no steepness. Now, if I take another, this one x-axis, this is y-axis, and if we are considering x-axis, it is because same as x-axis, but if I change a little bit, like this one, this is clear, it is little up from x-axis, little up, so it is slope is equal to plus some positive slope. Clear? So positive steepness. And if I tell you this x-axis and this y-axis, and I'm making a line like this. Now you can see here this is downside, here this was upside, here it is downside. So slope is equal to negative here, negative steepness. Negative steepness. Okay, so steepness means how it is parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis. So if it is parallel to x-axis, parallel means no slope, zero, same like x-axis. So same like x-axis, this line is parallel to x-axis. If I draw one line here, clear, it is same like y-axis. So this is parallel to y-axis. Same like x-axis, parallel to x-axis. Same like y-axis, parallel to y-axis. Okay. And if it is neither parallel to x-axis, neither same as x-axis, neither same as y-axis, then it has a slope. Then it has a steepness. Clear? So this is. Now, how to find the steepness? Clear? Let us see how to find slope oblique steepness. It is very simple. First of all, let us draw the x-axis here, then draw a y-axis here, x-axis, y-axis. Clear? Let us draw one line. It is not becoming straight. Now it is okay. Let the coordinate of the P point are x1, y1. Clear? So if you draw a point here, if you draw a point here, this is, and here is the point Q, and the coordinates of this point are x2, y2. If you draw a perpendicular here, this is, and a perpendicular here. Clear? So I want to tell you the distance between the coordinate on x-axis. This is the distance. This is the distance between coordinate on x-axis and y-axis. And this distance is named as delta x. This distance is named as delta x. Clear? Delta x means distance between x points. And what is this distance? This distance is always x2 minus x1. Because x2 point we have taken this. x2 is big, x1 is small. So big minus small, this distance we will get. x2 minus x1. Clear? This you can also say horizontal change. This we can also say horizontal change. Horizontal change. Okay? Horizontal change means change in x. This is. Now, if I talk about the y, then what is the distance? Y is this one. This distance is y. And this distance is denoted by delta y. Delta y means distance between y points. Y points. This is. And how much it is? Y2 minus y1. This distance is y2 minus y1. And this you can call vertical change. Vertical change means change in y. So this is how to find the vertical change and the horizontal change. Now we will define the slope. So what is the slope? Slope means the slope is denoted by m, and it is the ratio. It is the ratio of vertical change to horizontal change. What is vertical change? Delta y. What is horizontal change? Delta x. What is the value of delta y? y2 minus y1. What is the change in delta x? It is x2 minus x1. This is m. M means slope. And remember, here x2 should not be same as x1. If they are same, it will be sum y2 minus y1 upon 0. And as per the rational number, 0 cannot be possible inside the denominator. Clear? So this is the slope of this. Okay. Now we will discuss some examples. So example question number 1. Find the slope. Find the slope of the line containing the points. What points? 1, 2 and minus 5, 4. So I will explain you two things. This is x-axis. First we will draw these 2 points on xy plane. This is x, this is y. Now 1, 2. This is 1, this is 1, 2. So this point is 1, 2. Okay. Now minus 5. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It is here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is minus 5. Oh, sorry. I marked it wrongly because 4 is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be almost here. Minus 5, 4. Okay. Now join these 2 points. So it will become a line. This is the line. This is the straight line that passing these 2 points. I am not able to draw the correct because of this very sharp state of it. Okay, this is. Now you need to find. Now you can see it is going down. So I want to tell you in advance that slope will be negative in this case. Okay, so let us take this point is P and this point is Q. So slope is equal to how much? Slope is equal to delta y upon delta x. It is how much? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And the P points are x1, y1. Q points are x2, y2. Okay, what is the value of y2? It is 2 minus. What is the value of y1? It is 4. Clear. What is the value of x2? It is 1. What is the value of x1? Minus 5. This is 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 5. It is minus 2 upon 6. And we can divide it by 2 to make it lowest form. So it is minus 1 upon 3. So the value of slope is minus 1 upon 3. Clear? So we learn here in question they ask only the slope. They are not asking the graph, but we draw the graph also. This is the graph of the line passing through point 1, 2 and minus 5, 4. Clear? So slope is negative. Now we will solve one question where slope is positive. Now example number 2, find the slope of the line passing through. What are the points? It is minus 1, minus 2 and 3, 6. This is okay. So first we will draw this on XY plane. This is X-axis and this is Y-axis. Okay. Now minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 is here. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. So this is the point. I make it little far. So it is more near. It is here. This is minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Now 3, 6. It is 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is here. This is 3, 6. Now, if you join this line, it will be like this one. It is very difficult for me to make this line. Or how we can make it? Just a minute. It is, we can make it like this. Oh my God, very good. So this is first point, this is second point, this is the line and it is going up. So the slope will be positive. Okay. So how to get the slope? Slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let us make this point P. So x1 y1 and this point Q x2 y2. Okay. So what is the value of y2? Y2 is 6 minus. What is the value of y1? It is minus 2. So it is minus 2 upon x2. It is 3 minus x1. It is minus 1. So 6 plus 2 upon 3 plus 1. 8 upon 4. And the answer is 2. And slope is 2. So this is negative, positive. Now we are going to solve another question where the slope is 0. The question number 3. Okay, find the slope of the line passing through. It is minus 5, 2 and 3, 2. You can see the y coordinate is same. Y coordinate is same, so it will be 0. Okay. So the x-axis and the y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. So what is the point? 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So this is 3, 2. And what is it? Minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And minus 5, 2. This is minus 5, 2. Now if you will join this, this is a line parallel to x-axis. Clear? Parallel to x-axis, and parallel to x-axis means slope is 0. Let this is P, let this is Q. Okay. So slope is equal to how much? Y2 this is y2 is 2 minus y1 is 2 upon x2 3 minus minus 5. So how much it is? 0 upon 3 plus 5, 0 upon 8, and if you divide 0 by any number, the value will be 8. So m is equal to 0. So if m is negative, the line is going down. If m is positive, line is going up. But if m is equal to 0, the line is parallel to x-axis, same x-axis. And the last question that we are going to solve here, it is the slope is infinite. Find the slope of the line passing through twice of minus 5 and twice of 5. Now you can see here x is same. X is same. And if you remember, I told you x should not be same. I told you in this that x should not be same. It should not be equal. If it is equal, then it is problem. But here it is problem. So we will do it this by x-axis and this is y-axis. What it is? 2 minus 5. 2. 1, 2. Minus 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point is 2 minus 5. Now take another point. 2, 5. 2 is same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point is 2, 5. Now if you will draw a line that passing through these points, then you will see this one. This is parallel to, what is this? This line, this is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. So slope is equal to, oh, not slope. It is slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Clear? So is equal to y2 is how much? Minus 5. Let us take this is P, this is Q. Okay, you can choose any point P and any point Q. So P is, this is minus 5 and this is minus 5 upon 2 minus 2. So it is minus 10 upon 0. And if upon 0, we can call it not defined. Not defined. Not defined means what? Generally we put infinite. If upon 0, then we call it infinite. Clear? And if it is infinite, then it is a line parallel to y-axis. So my dear friends, there are 4 possible cases. 4 possible cases. If this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Clear? If this is the line, it is m is equal to 0. Slope is 0. If this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and we get a line parallel to y-axis. Clear? Here slope is infinite. And if this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and we get a line like this, this is upside. So m is greater than 0. M is plus. Okay? And if we get it like This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Clear? And we get a line like this. This is down. So this is m less than 0. That is m is minus. So these are the four cases. So here in this lecture, we study two things. One, what is a straight line? Clear? Then what is the slope? And if slope is 0, positive, negative or infinite, what is the direction of the straight line is there? We study all these things. Thank you very much.